Yeah, hi. Today's topic is converting fractions into decimals. Okay. Example: some possibility 0 point. You need to put a point over here so that you'll put 0. 5 5 6 are 30. So what is the answer? 0.6. Now even if you want to check, you can check 0.6 how to convert as a fraction. 0.06, write down 0.6 in a numerator, whatever is there without point, whatever is there, write in a numerator. Now after decimal point, how many places are there? Only one place, that is 1/10. So that is why divide with a 10. Simply non-verbal, simply blunder method, how we are going to remember is, whatever decimal he is going to give, write the numbers, what we call digits without point in a numerator. After decimal point, how many places are there? Those many zeros you have to put after writing 1. 1 instead of this point 1. After that, how many places are there? Those many zeros you need to put. So like this also you can understand, like 73.54 if you have. How to convert this into fraction without point? 7354, write down in a numerator by, instead of point 1, after decimal point, how many places are there? Those many zeros you need to put. See, it is just to blindly like this we can write down. Okay. Now the topic is how to convert a fraction into what we call decimals. Okay. Now 12 by some 16 is there. 16. 16. I am taking on my one. How to convert this into fraction? What is fraction? How to convert this into decimal? Simple. Just needed to divide. Okay. 2 table. 2 6 are 12. 2 8 are 6 by 8. Next 2 3 are 6. 2 4 are 8. So 3 by 4. So 28. Yes. 8. 2. Already you kept point over here, so you can write down 0 here. 5 is a 20. So what is the answer? 3 by 4 is nothing but 0.75. In another way, 12 by 16 is nothing but 0.75. Even if you want to check, you can check. Okay, 0.75 is nothing but 0.75 by how many places? 2 places, means 5 is in hundreds place, 100ths place, so 75 by 100. So 25 table I am taking. 25 3s are 25 4s are. So 3 by 4 came, right? So this is how we are going to check. Okay, examples I am writing here. 3 5 2 by 100. 2 5 6 7 point 4 by 1000. Okay. Question: 67 by 1000. 4 by 100. 73 by 10. Okay, let's discuss this, how to convert into decimals. Let's start. Okay. Now if you check this, it is in the form of fraction. Okay, now in the denominator 10 is there. So if you observe, whatever number is there in a numerator, that you need to write. Okay, look at the denominator. Here the denominator is 10, means the decimal part is only one place is there in decimal part. Okay, so it's nothing but, after writing the number whatever is there in a numerator, from your left side you need to move one place, means 75.3 is the decimal form of 753 by 10. Okay, if you observe, after point whatever is there, that is called as decimal part. How to convert decimals into fractions? If you learn, you can easily write fractions into decimals. Now here 352 by 100 is there. Whatever is there in a numerator, write down that first. Okay, because the denominator value is 100, you need to put the decimal point before 2 digits. Okay, so it's nothing but 3.52. The decimal part is 52 here. Why? Because it is divided with 100. Because it is divided with 1000, the next question, whatever numerator value is there, that you need to write. Sorry. So because 1000 is there, you need to put the decimal point before 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So 25.674. After decimal point, you need to read the digits individually. 674. Okay, now 67 is there. So 67, whatever number is there, numerator write down. Now what is the denominator value here? 1000. So 3 places you need to remove. You need, before 3 places you need to put the decimal point. So actually I'm having only 2 places. 1, 2. Because I need to put before 3 places, I am writing 0 here. See, writing zeros before a number, it's nothing but we are not changing any value. Okay, so 0.067. Clear? Now here only 4 is there, denominator is 100. So before 2 places, before 2 digits, we need to put the point 1. So because we have nothing here, I am writing 0. 04 is nothing but 4 only, right? 1, 2, 2 places, point. Nothing is there, so 0. 0.04 is nothing but 4 by 100. 73 by 10. So 73 write down. Before 1 place, you need to put the point because it is divided with a 10. Clear?